the Trooper up there. The four-wheel drive has gone out. I'm gonna try to do a four-wheel drive repair out here in this snowstorm. This thing's been sitting here for a little while now. Try to drive this thing out of here in two-wheel drive. Get it up there a little closer to the house. Okay, so the latches were frozen. I had to climb in from the back door and see if I can get this thing started. Okay, cool. Okay, now since we're still dealing with no clutch, so I gotta kill it. There we go. Okay. Something broke loose back there. Some ice on the brakes or something. Alright. Okay, I thought about doing this one, doing everything by hand. I just don't feel like doing it, to be honest with you. I've got air here, so I'm just going to use the air. But this could very well be done by hand. It's no big deal. I mean, knocking the wheels off this thing with the factory lug wrench is not that big of a deal. And all the hardware I'm taking off, none of it's super tight. None of it's anything that you couldn't do. I just don't feel like it. See the right side axle popped out of the hub right here, so I'm just going to jack up this right side. I'm pulled up inside of the snow-covered Trooper, and here's what I've discovered. The clip goes on the end of the axle has snapped off. It's extremely common. The locking hub itself looks fine. All the teeth on it look good, and splines and everything look good. So I'm just going to reinstall this one. I'll tighten that clip up a little bit, make it a little snugger, if that's a word, make it a little more snug, so it won't pop off next time. This is tricky, trying to keep all the snow off this stuff and do this. This is how rugged these things are, man. People are going to be like, oh my god, I could put that thing together. You'd be surprised. You drive through creeks and mud and all sorts of stuff, and they're going to get moisture in them. Alright, got the hub all put back together and ready to get the tire put on. I'm getting ready to go here, and the door latch on this door is frozen, so the door won't shut. So I'm gonna just bungee cord this thing. That's what I'm talking about. Four-wheel drive.